unboxing because ColourPop sent me a package. They sent this during Christmas time and I wanted to show you guys what they sent me because everything is so cute. First of all, if you like actually follow me and you watch my videos, you know that I love this palette. I don't know if they know that I love this palette, but they sent me a new one and I'm so happy. This is what mine looks like now. Like you can't even tell that this is the same palette. Here's my palette. Absolutely disgusting. So happy to have a brand new one. I know my daughter's gonna try and take this from me though because she tries and takes the other one, even though it looks the way it does. Oh my goodness, look at this. These are the best eyeshadow shades ever. Like this is all you need. The ColourPop Going Coconuts palette, literally, mwah, chef's kiss, 10 out of 10, amazing. They also sent me some ColourPop socks. I love this for me. And they sent me a ColourPop little hat, so I love this for me also. They sent a Luxe lip oil in the shade Skinny Dip. ColourPop is one of my all-time favorite makeup brands, by the way. I love all of their products. I think their formulas are all really good and very affordable. This is really pretty. They also sent me I think this is BFF, yeah. BFF Lippy Pencil. I love their lippy pencils. Cool BFF is my favorite shade, but you can't buy it individually anymore like this. It only comes in one of their like lippy pencil vaults, or at least it did. Anyways, this is BFF. I think I'm gonna do a lip combo with this, but that's gonna be a separate video. They also sent me a Super Shock shadow in the shade Ritz, which I'm going to swatch right now. These feel like velvety. They're amazing. Let's swatch it on my hand. Oh yeah, that's so pretty. Last but not least, they sent me a pressed powder blush in this gorgeous like bubblegum pink shade called Flamingo. Thanks, ColourPop.